The situation of too much fuel consumption. The current condition of the Honda 2018 Airblade, when the customer brings the vehicle to the workshop. Check the AF excessive fuel consumption, wet spark plugs, black soot, the engine heats up quickly, the engine mechanics are no longer smooth as before, there is a knock when accelerating. Customers said that the motorcycle was no longer as original from the manufacturer, had been loaded with software that the market called open RPM limit. But before they think that the upgrade software of the new Honda company that agreed to do it, did not expect, after using some time then to occur this. Turn on the ignition key. Start the engine. Check that the temperature of the engine heats up quickly. The engine sounds with a mechanical knock when the fast accelerating. Use Motoscan tab to check that the carbureting ratio is too rich. To solve this problem, you can use the Motoscan tab toolkit to rescue and restore the ECM to its original state before further inspection, diagnosis, and repair. Otherwise, it will be difficult for car workers a lot. To solve this problem we can choose one of two solutions. One is to use the AF correction function. Second is to use remap software, loading function with multiple modes. To solve this problem, we will choose the function, Load ECM Original Firmware. Warning: this function is only for repairmen, who have been trained, really understand the technique, and only use it for the purpose of rescue, restoring the ECM to the original manufacturer. When the problem is certain, because the ECM has been subjected to technical software interference, and in force majeure situations. Absolutely do not abuse this function in daily vehicle repair for people who repair ordinary civil vehicles, or intentionally do non-technical work, to contribute to social negativity and unsafety for the engine end users. The user undertakes to be sufficiently knowledgeable and fully responsible for performing this function. Motoscan tab is loading ECM data. Do not turn off the power supply or disconnect the battery during data is loading. Congratulations! Loading ECM original software successfully. Turn off the ignition to complete the loading process. Start the engine to check the AF again on the Motoscan tab. Check that the vehicle has returned to normal operation smoothly. Using Motoscan tab to check the carbureting ratio, has returned to standard, not too rich as before. You can view and check the air-fuel ratio in various display modes. So now, workers have seen, understood, and know more about the carefully designed and manufactured functions in the high-end Motoscan Tab and Motoscan 7 equipment, which are excellent and reliable functions that help effective motorcycles repair. Thus, with this function, it is possible to adjust the carbureting ratio and restore the original manufacturer's software for the workers that many ECUs are damaged in the markets. Goodbye and see you in the next videos introducing the functions of Motoscan Tab 2.0.